People have been using a watch for a long time, but technological development has changed the definition of the wristwatch. Modern day watches are known as a smartwatch, and these smartwatches do a lot more than just telling the time. One of the most useful functions of a smartwatch is its health and activity tracking function. Due to the ongoing popularity of smartwatches, many tech companies are producing high-quality smartwatches with advanced technology. Among the smartwatch manufacturers, Garmin is unique because of its high-quality hybrid smartwatches. And today, we've selected Garmin vívomove HR Hybrid Smartwatch for you.
Here we go!
First, we'll take a look at the product and specs before we get into customer reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more next tech reviews. Now let's take a look. The Garmin vívomove HR is a cool-looking round-shaped smartwatch that comes with a classic watch case but with a smart touchscreen display. It comes with a 0.38 by 0.76 inches display and a 20mm replaceable band, which fits on the wrist perfectly. The small size has got a circumference of 107mm and the medium size has got a circumference of 177mm to ensure a perfect fit on your wrist. The finishing of Garmin is excellent and it represents the high quality signature of Garmin. The touchscreen works smoothly and the digital display screen remains discrete until you swipe on the touch screen. The discrete screen delivers a resolution of 64 by 128 pixels. It comes with a 24/7 heart rate monitoring tool that delivers accurate readings and helps you stay healthy. The stress tracking functions are excellent. It tells precisely when the user has a stressful day, and the relaxation timer will help you to manage your stress. The smart notification function would let you watch your smartphone notification on the watch through the discrete digital display. You can control incoming calls, read the text, and control music using the Garmin vívomove HR. This amazing smartwatch comes with a long-lasting battery. You can use it for up to 5 days with the smart features turned on, and the watch will stay awake for more than 2 weeks if the smart features are turned off. It's time to investigate the popularity of the hybrid smartwatch and find out what others are saying about this piece of technology. The smartwatch has got 4.2 stars out of 5 stars from a total of 1,192 user ratings on Amazon. It's loved by users for style, sleep tracking, durability, accuracy, and battery life. Here are some real user comments. One person has given 5 stars and commented, "Really like this watch. One of my favorite purchases actually. Looks pretty sleek, comfortable, goes several days on charge." Another person gave 5 stars and wrote, "A great looking watch. Unlike most activity tracking smartwatches, many great features, HR and step measurements seems to be quite accurate. Was delivered very quickly as described, well packaged." A few people didn't find the watch useful. Among them, one person gave 1 star and wrote, "This watch looks really nice, and I'm sure it would have been great, but what they don't tell you is that you may receive a watch with outdated software." That's all we have on the Garmin vívomove HR Hybrid Smartwatch for now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Still not sure about this gadget? We also have similar product links for you to compare in the description. Don't forget to check us out at nexttechreview.com. Till next time, stay tech savvy. We'll see you then.